Got my barbecue shoes on.
The BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up some chicken and cheese wing loaves on the grill, and it's easy to do. All right, here I have a chicken wing, obviously, right? Man, and one that size runs about 3 a pound. We've got about 10 pounds here. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to oil them up. A little bit of your favorite veggie oil and a little bit of soy sauce. Or use your own favorite. Now I'm going to hit it with some seasoning. Use your favorite seasoning on this, all right? Could be just salt and pepper. This here, we've got a little bit of heat. Now, give it a mix, and then we're going to paint it all over these wings, all right? Now, how do we do this technique, and why do we do it? As you know, or as many of you know, chicken wings have gotten real expensive. Seems like everybody ruins them on the grill. They're either overcooked or undercooked or burnt. Now, try it this way, all right? We're going to make a chicken wing loaf. We do it by starting with a little bit of oil, a little bit of soy sauce here, or like I said, any way you want to do it. Now we're going to stack them on the grill a certain way. And what we have here is we've got left wingers and right wingers. Did you know that? Yep. Chickens have left wings and right wings. So to stack them and be able to get them on a grill this size, this is how you do it. You put the left wingers together and the right wingers together. The left wingers and the right wingers are getting along on the grill. Whoa. Now I've got 30 of these suckers here, and they're going to fit indirect because we're going to be doing some indirect cooking on the grill. Hot charcoal on one side. Now again, why are we doing it this way? Because chicken wings come in 3 segments, and each segment cooks differently. You all know about that, right? And to get a chicken wing cooked right, it means you almost have to cook each section separately. But you get around that by doing it this way. We're going to literally trap the moisture in these wings. We're going to run a low temperature, maybe about 275 degrees Fahrenheit. It's going to take about 2 hours to do these. All right, chicken wings are on the grill. All right, we're about maybe an hour into this. Take a look at that. Get nice and brown. Yeah, man, they're coming right along. Like I said, we're going to keep them real moist, make them tender. Now what we're going to do, and this is optional, we're going to create another layer of flavor here. So here we've got some sauce, and it's barbecue sauce, right? Now you can use any of your favorite sauces off the shelf or use one of ours. You just paint it on real good. Oh yeah. Now this slow cooking method, the way we stack them, like I said, is going to keep them real moist and make them real tender. You put the cover on, about another hour to go. Now, here I've got some cheese. I'm using some cheddar cheese. I'm using some mozzarella. All right? Yeah. Give it a good mix because we're going to put some cheese on these wings. Oh, yeah. Look how it's coming. Nice. Now, a few of these we're going to make hot wings. Use your imagination here. It's almost like a chicken wing pizza. You know what I'm saying? So whatever you like for toppings, you hit these wings with. Now I'm going to take that cheese and spread it all over these chickens. Now we have another recipe, some bacon and cheddar cheese wings. You can check that out. You can use bacon on here, but we're going to just stay with the jalapeno and the cheese. Put the cover on, let it melt. And through the miracle of time, these chicken cheese wings are done. Take a look at that. Oh. Pull them off the grill. And they're hot. Watch out. cheese. Now, when I said moist, I mean moist. This isn't your Uncle Harry's chicken wings burnt off the grill, family picnic. This is how you do it.